It's a waiting game. Get it? Time. Shooting watches. It's a waiting game. You ready?
Born ready.
Born ready. With no time to spare.
Daddy jokes.
Daddy jokes. I'm dad now, so. Sandbag from Manfredo. It's actually pretty funny to think that you're carrying sandbags from one city to the next, like you're just carrying sand. It's very vital for this production because it holds up the C-stand, so we can just push the light out even more. But yeah, it's just funny to think that like we're carrying sand. And this sand wasn't cheap, let me tell you that much. It wasn't cheap at all. I mean, it was made by Italians, so obviously it's very Gucci. So, but yeah, we're carrying sand, so sandbags. We're rolling? Are we rolling?
We're rolling.
We're rolling? So, welcome to this new video. We're at this watch store, boutique. We're not in Helsinki, we're in Tampere. And it's my new client we're filming for. And today we are creating a video called, I titled it, The Watchmaker. So we're gonna have this guy who restores and fixes watches in this video, and we're gonna go through a couple of watches and basically just show the process, his passion, his love for the craft that he's doing. And so yeah, we're just setting up lights. We got about an hour before we're gonna start rolling the cameras. And yeah, just setting up lights right now. Aperture game is very, very strong. We got two 300s plus Nova, and yeah, I've had 1 cup of coffee today, so bear with me, bear with me. Okay, so we're gonna start this film with these shots where our watchmaker is walking in with his briefcase that is filled with, you know, the watches that he's restoring. And we got the lights turning on as he walks. Use a little bit of foreground from the glasses and the watches that we have set around the shop. And yeah, with that like slow-paced sort of opening for the film before we actually kick in and just go full-on rock mode. Just using the Rhino slider and have my camera Canon R5C on top of that, using lenses like 50mm and then 15mm. And yeah, that's gonna be our opening for this video. Small screws, big fingers. be weird. Se olisi siistiä mennä kaikkeen kelloja. Kun sä otat sen siitä, pystyykö sä silleen tiltaten vasempaan päin sitä näyttöä ja siitä vedät sen ylös jotenkin. Noin just, että sä vetäisit sen mahdollisimman liikki tätä niin kuin aina kesken kautta ylös tavallaan, jos sen. Ja ole hyvä. Ja nosta. Nice. So we are filming everything today. We're filming, well, except the opening shots are 24 FPS, but everything else is pretty much 120 FPS. And since we're flying from one shot to the next, it means all the movements, everything needs to be very precise. And with that, there's a lot of directing our talent, the way he's landing his hands down with the briefcase and then moving towards the watch that we're picking up later. In the following shot, it needs to be very, very precise. So with that, doing a video, a commercial like this, it just needs to be very on top of everything when directing the talent in camera. Otetaan koko liike itse asiassa siitä asti, kun sä otit sen oot laittamassa nyt silmää. Joo. I mean, look at this. This is Europe. This is not US. This is a problem here. We cannot use this. Look, I'll show you. I'll even show you. It won't go into the freaking socket. Look at this. Oh, there's the socket. Look at this. We got 2 holes. This sucker has straight things. Like it won't. Look at that. It won't go. So it looks like we're not using Nova today. But you know, it was nice to bring it along. Back in the back it goes. But we still got our 2 lovely Aperture 300s that never let us down. Never, ever, never. Always look on the bright side of life. Täydellinen. We got it.
Tää tuo pykälä eteenpäin.
Niin tuo kymppi päin.
Joo.
Ja ole hyvä. Just going through final checks for the film. Got a few more shot ideas, and now we just gotta go through all the shots, what I've already shot, just to think, because I know I want to do like rotation in post with zoom ins and pullbacks, and because I'm doing that in post, I then gotta know like what the rotation was when I shot the shot, right? That doesn't make any sense, but it sort of makes sense. So I'm just stopping and going through everything. And yeah, now we're about done. We got like 10 more shots to go, and then, yeah. Are you exhausted yet? No?
Not yet.
Not yet. Still smile. Still smile. Okay, great. We got 10 more shots to go. Imagine if I dropped that. That would have been embarrassing, right? That would have been embarrassing. break anything. But yeah, no, my eyes are going like because I'm just watching the second and minute hands, just thinking about the rotations. My entire head is spinning with the second hands. And the funny thing is, like, you can actually hear clocks ticking in the store, so it's like do you have that as well? Yeah. Okay, diving into the last final 2 shots of the film. That is also the ending shot. Usually we shoot that first, but today we don't. Today we go A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yeah. Yes. Tutkimukset. Been doing a lot of probe shots now, playing with this funky lens that you know, and I think like the most important thing, like when creating these probe shots, it's to do these cool sort of alleyways, sort of like what we did with this watch ending shot. So we have a lot of items on the way that the probe just sort of dives through, like this strap over here, and then end with the final boop, he lands the watch into the shot. So if you're shooting probe shots, just try to be creative and create these cool alleyways. I feel like that's when the probe really shines, and that's what it's meant to be used for. Kamera käy. Ole hyvä. Ja ole hyvä. Ja kävele pois. Täydellinen. And that was that for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys thought of this video. And yeah, I guess as always, I'll be seeing you again on the next one. I'm not sure why I'm drawing my cap anymore. I'll just walk out. I'll see you later.